Hey everybody, Michael with Rogers Ranch. Wanted to give an update on our fall garden. This is the 6-week update, month and a half into it. Cucumbers have not, they're trying, but I've got a little bit of a pest problem. I've put some 7 dust down before. Hopefully we can get that rectified. But wanted to show you, we have got some corn growing on that stalk. So the corn's really doing good. Peas and string beans are slowly coming along. The string beans are looking good. All 4 tomato plants are looking good. Got a little bit of lettuce coming in. But the big surprise, y'all, you know I've been talking about it for some time, but it looks like our bell peppers and jalapeños are starting to produce or grow out again. You can see one right in there. And then we've got some peppers growing right there. You can see them. But bell peppers are starting to produce. So hopefully we'll get a few of those. That's a positive. I didn't think we were going to get anything out of them, but they look like they're going to start producing. So, although it's an odd looking bell pepper, but yeah, that's where we're at. Still coming along. We're finally getting into some cooler temperatures in Texas. Also, woke up this morning and it was 56 degrees, everybody, in Texas. Y'all have a great week.